Hi, welcome to LOOkX YouTube channel. In this video, I show you how to use the LOOkX Refresh lotion. This lotion is a triple action cleansing lotion with strong hydrating properties for a fresh and vibrant skin. It removes excess cleanser and debris on the skin, hydrates the skin and has a repairing and calming effect. Apply in the morning and evening to the skin with a cotton pad and apply your skincare afterwards. The LOOkX Refresh lotion is suitable for all skin types, especially for dry and sensitive skin. Don't forget to follow LOOkX on social media for more beauty tips and tricks.